How to start your day with an electric skateboard. Alright, let's go back to my house. Hi everyone, welcome to Veymax. Today, we're going to talk about how to prepare for a full day out with your electric skateboard and what to keep in mind. In this video, you will learn about how to make a full Eskate day. First, you need to get a backpack. You need to install some accessories for the electric skateboard. Like a bottle of water, you need to hydrate. The most important thing is, you need to bring your charger and T-tool. Emergency medicine is a must. If you like recording yourself riding like I do, I usually bring some selfie kit and 360 shooting equipment. Next comes the highlights. Let's make sure your electric skateboard is in top condition. Check if the battery is fully charged. You can choose to replace the bushing with different hardness required for this trip. You can also choose to adjust the tightness of the bushing nut. Again, make sure the screw connection of your electric skateboard is tight. This step is very important. Please make sure that your safety is the first priority. Finally, don't forget your helmet and protective gear before going out. Now, we're ready to go. First, you have to plan your route based on the range of your electric skateboard. Make sure you have at least one place to recharge your batteries on this trip. It's important to take care of your battery. Avoid overcharging or completely draining it. And use the original or a high-quality charger. Temperature also affects battery performance, so try to avoid extreme heat or cold. Sometimes, unexpected situations can arise. For instance, if your battery runs out suddenly, you can choose a place like a coffee shop to recharge your batteries. If you encounter mechanical issues, basic repair tools can come in handy. Maintain a reasonable speed and be extra cautious when riding on different surfaces, like dirt roads or gravel paths. Basic riding and turning skills are essential to handle emergencies better. Safety is paramount. First, familiarize yourself with local laws regarding electric skateboards. Follow traffic rules and avoid riding in restricted areas. It's a good idea to inform a family member or friend about your route and expected return time before heading out. Bring your phone and a power bank to stay connected in case of emergencies. Today, we covered a lot about preparing for a full day out with your electric skateboard. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.